Hi, my name is Colin Whitcomb. I teach at Cupertino High School, and Los Gatos High School, and Mountain View High School. I march with the Cadets, the Blue Coats, the Blue Devils, Pulse World, and RCC. I think when composing your own solo, and you've written something that you really like, and you're just struggling with it, I think there are two ways you can work around it. One would be to dig in deep and just like slow it down, break it down, and make it really good. Or the two would be alter it in a way that just makes it a little easier, and that way you don't have to spend so much time. Don't just go through your solo and just ram it out and play through it just to play through it. You should be more focused on the overall quality of your sound, right? Does your solo sound good? Are you pushing yourself to a point where you're so chopped out that you're getting a bad, rough sound? Okay? Then from there, how are you gonna fix those problems? Maybe you just take out that one scrape, you take out that one crossover, and you just make it all on this drum instead. Those are really easy ways that you can keep the fundamental parts of what you wrote without, making it too hard on yourself. Analyze your own performance and be strict on yourself to make sure that you have a very adequate show. If you're working on a specific skill set, it's great to deconstruct that specific thing down to its bare bones. For instance, if you're just playing a bunch of paradiddles, then you can just break that down to eighth notes and then add on from there. For instance, you just start with eighth notes and just start adding some diddles. To get all the way there, okay? And then you can add the around. Or so forth. So stick tricks, everyone's favorite thing to add into a solo. Do not let them overcomplicate everything. Okay? The objective is to play a nice musical composition. Okay? On top of that, this is a very visual instrument. Okay? There's a lot of motion involved, and adding stick tricks can enhance your product and you can enhance your performance in terms of visual aesthetic. Okay, but never let that hinder the quality of your performance. So no matter what, everyone's going to struggle with some part of their performance. If it's going to be something that halts the whole performance in a negative way, then you should probably edit it away in the sense that water it down until it's good, or maybe just think about working around that phrase. If you've written something that's too hard and say you just love it so much you can't get rid of it, then just keep it. You shouldn't just scrap whatever you think is bad. Like, when in doubt, at least save it. Maybe you can come back to that idea later. Like, really dig deep and solidify those parts that you struggle with. This is your performance, this is your composition, and just do your best.